Are you looking for a robotic plasma cutting machine that can cut all profiles including pipes? Then today is your lucky day. I'm going to give you a walkthrough of our flagship RPC 1200. Hello everyone, my name's Matthew Waring. I'm a regional sales manager for HGG. I'm going to give you a walkthrough of our RPC 1200 machine. So we're now in the cutting cell of the RPC 1200. So this machine was originally developed for the offshore market, but we quickly realized the structural steel market was the perfect place for it due to the speed that structural steel fabricators need to start producing. Quickly import NC step data into HGG's ProCam software and benefit from the RPC's versatility and capacity to cope all profiles including pipe and plate. The RPC doesn't care if it's a simple hole or the most complex bevel, and its small footprint saves precious floor space, greatly valued in the structural steel world. So right now I'm going to give you a little explanation of how all the components work, and we'll go from them one to the other. So this is a robot we use. It's a Staubli. It's probably the best robot in the market, but it's only as good as the software that drives it, which is driven by the specialists in 3D profiling, HGG. So we offer two types of plasma sources. We offer a standard, a hypertherm, and also a Kelberg. As most of you are aware, steel profiles are never the theoretical dimensions that they should be. So we at HGG take a different approach. We take a 3D scan and we measure the actual dimensions of the profile, which is also an added advantage because you can also feed rusty material and coated material and it's not affected. With the 6 axes of the robot, we also have the longitudinal axis and we have a height axis. With the combination, we can access the biggest material all the way around without a problem. So this is the cutting cell. This is a very important part of the RPC machine. It protects the operator from noise, sparks, and also plasma fumes. To achieve extreme accuracy when cutting with plasma, you need a very strong structure. This is our cell. We've designed this so it doesn't need to be built up. It can be shipped straight into a container. This is the operator interface of the RPC 1200. Like all of our machines, we try to make it as simple as possible. So the job of the operator is to select his files, move his materials around, and it should be very self-intuitive. The position of the material is taken care of by the in-feed conveyors and the out-feed conveyors. So the way this works is the conveyors will put the material in approximately the right position in the cutting zone, but the final measurement will be taken by a length measurement laser which is located at the beginning of the in-feed conveyor. In addition to positioning the material in the correct position longitudinally, the laser torch scanner will also measure the material and it will also compensate if the material is not perfectly in the right zero line. So what does the machine cut? Well, H-beams. It can do weld preparations, it can do just a simple straight cut, which is quite common in the structural steel market, holes. It can also do all your outfit marking. Hollow sections, it can be square, it can be rectangular. We see it not as 4 flat sides, we see it as one solid shape, so that makes us very good at putting weld preparations on. It will also mark, it will also do the hole penetrations. I hope you enjoyed the walkthrough of the RPC 1200 today. For more information, follow this link here.